Your life's trip. Life is told in breathtaking seconds, and not just in breath. Your life's trip knows no limits or boundaries. When time stretches to infinity, free at last from the constraints of the great clock, and the hands simply add new memories to the old, the journey of a lifetime can go on forever, wiping out the years. It can go on for months, multiplying the moments and their magic. It replaces everyday life. It's whimsical, impossible, unique, unforgettable. A veritable hymn to life, this journey is like a new beginning, flooded with wisdom and fulfillment and achievement that can only be justified by the grandiose dream it finally provides. How does your life's trip works? You're familiar with the concept of a honeymoon. You get married and you travel. Your life's trip is similar. You work a whole career and then take a big trip, simply a long journey to thank yourself for your career. If you're lucky, you may have taken a big trip when you left school or after your military service, probably on a tight budget and with a backpack. What unforgettable memories even decades later. If you think back, that trip probably shaped the person you've become. It's with this in mind that we suggest moving from one living space to another as a step that transforms us, taking the time to do what you've always wanted to do. We can support you in this process, which can start a few years before you retire or just after you've sold your business. And why not set up a fund, a sort of wedding list for this project?